Hello, Namaste, welcome to All in One by Joy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious Dhaba style sabji. So let's begin. In a pan, add enough water to soak 3 cups of cauliflower florets, 1 cup of diced up potatoes, and salt to taste, and then cover the pan with a lid. While that is getting soaked, in a separate pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon dry fenugreek seed, half teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 dry red chili, 1 cinnamon stick, and 7 to 8 peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, and 2 teaspoon of garlic paste. Now mix them thoroughly and immediately add half cup of chopped tomatoes and then mix them together. Now add 1/8 teaspoon of Asafoetida and salt to cook the tomatoes. Now add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix them together and cover it with a lid. Occasionally stir the sabji and add water as needed. Keep doing this till the tomatoes are completely mushy and the raw aroma of the spices go away. On the other side of things, boil your cauliflower, florets and potato mix on high flame for 5 minutes. Now add the cauliflower and potatoes into the tomato mixture and mix them together. And cook the sabji on medium to low flame. Stir the sabji gently so our sabji doesn't get mushy. After your sabji is almost done, add half teaspoon of garam masala and mix it together. And cover it with a lid and cook for another few minutes. After a few minutes, take your spatula and check to see if your potatoes and cauliflower are cooked. Once they have been cooked, add 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro and mix them together. Now sabji is done. This goes well with roti, paratha and rice. But it is your choice in with what you want to serve it with. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Please comment on what you want to see me make next. Let's get this video to 20 likes. I hope you guys have a good day. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye.